They call me Luch.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito
and the Luchacabra here,
and we're here with George Voodoo today from the Voodoo Glow Skulls, and we got the Tao Motors Baja 200, and of course the
yellow one.
True yellow one. This is a Tao Motors 200 as well.
And it's yellow.
Yep. And we're gonna take them out for a drive.
Check out the trails, baby. Check out the
trails and see what this new buggy, which hasn't even been released.
First time only.
See what it's all about.
We're gonna dirty it up.
Yep. So let's get on with it.
Shall we? Check it out, people. We're on board with George Voodoo. That's it. We're gonna go bomb some trails, people. Check it out. Yeah! Up the trails, baby. Oh yeah! Boom! Yeah! Oh no! Woo! Four-wheel drive, baby! Yeah! Woo! Eat this! Oh my goodness! Yeah, baby! Oh, George flexing right now, baby! You see that? Come get some! Yeah, baby! Woo! Look at Chip, way down there! Hey, look at that. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, baby, we're on board with Chip now. Look at it go. Hey, there's a trash can. Yeah! Here we go. Oh, my goodness.
This buggy's rad, dude. It's old pretty good.
Boy, this thing runs a lot better than your,
About the Trail Master right now.
Trail Master.
What?
Bob. Oh, yeah, buddy.
See, we can touch it with this thing. I think that's faster than this.
Little kidney shots. What kind of shots are we doing today? Kidney shots. Ah!
It's a lot better than this.
Ah! Once again, people, this is what George Voodoo's ass looks like. Oh my goodness! You don't know what's so. Ah! Holy crap! I think George wants to take it home.
Let's take it out the road.
Always doing good deeds. Way to go, Chip.
You need to come over here and clean it up if we're gonna ride.
That's our good duty for the day. That's that duty. Yeah, buddy. Car parts. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Chinese Sacco. Oh, once again, George Voodoo's ass. Oh! We're traveling in the depths of nowhere, people. this is George Voodoo's front. Oh, we're not gonna make it. Hey, how long should this video be going? Oh, yeah! Uh-oh.
Let's test out the suspension, shall we?
I dropped your phone.
All right, here we go.
So that's what my nuts taste like. You just let me do the filming.
Ready?
Yeah! I don't know how stable it is gonna be. Oh! That's why it took George so long.
Which way should we go? I don't think this is the way he went.
I don't care.
We took a morning trail.
Yeah, buddy. Dad. Oh.
Which way should we go down?
Down the hill. Mr. Horse.
It was all ba-dang down the road. I was like, gee, and it was like, whoa, and I was like, holy mackerel.
Oh my God.
This way? Oh, it's a street.
We're on the street.
Well, kinda.
Oh, crap. You went the wrong way, buddy.
We're driving to Tao. What are you talking about? It's never the wrong way.
Tell us what we're driving, Chip.
Tao, Baja 200S. Hey, look at speaking of us.
What's up, George Voodoo?
People, we go down this, but it's the mattress. It's in the middle. That scares the crap out of me. We don't want to get nothing flying up on us. But the next side up there, I don't think he's going to make it, people. We're going to take bets to see if this Yahoo makes it. I'm going to walk down and see if that rock is going to... Don't worry about the rock. Worry about the mattress. Well, I can come through here and then I just got to brake real hard, but I want to see how steep that is right there. Look, you can almost see the steam coming out of his ears. Look at him go. You never seen a fat kid run so fast, have you? Don't touch that. It's got chirpies. Ah, don't touch me with that foot either. Now you've got mattress foot. You rock.
The last run of Chip, people. Watch this. This is going to be great. Buddy, look at him go! Look at him go, people! That was amazing! Look what the little Tao Motors Baja 200 can do, people! That's amazing! He's going back for more! He says, I can do this! Watch! I'm gonna gobble up this hill! Look at him go, people. Fat kid, small cart. It rocks. And he says, no, people, I want more. We're going to launch it right now, baby. George Voodoo says launch it. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, airborne, people. Yeah. Look at it go. Look at it go. That's running donuts around the competition.
George Voodoo going to attempt the same trail, people, that's going to be mentioned. By the way, I'm people. Make sure you start using it in your everyday life. That would be bitchin'.
Like that?
No. Right in that spot right there. Want to try it?
No!
Why not?
I'm the cameraman.
Left, that's the bottom down there. That kind of...
Time for the descent, people. The decent descent. People, this is a scary part of our tour. Those who came before us but did not make it. Let's have a moment of silence for those, much like ourselves, who are not going to make it. You want to go that way, buddy?
Yeah, I am. I didn't see that. We were busy talking about Fonzie's motorcycle.
I know, that was pretty cool, huh? We had to blur out the dead body. There we go, look at that. We have engaged our downhill descent feature in this buggy. Look at it go, people. Like it was nobody's business. That's right. Oh, yeah. Traffic jam on the trails, people. You can't go that way. Kiss his tire. Go ahead. No, you can't. You gotta go that way. That's where that rock car was, wasn't it? I guess not. I don't know. Watch out for missing car parts. Which way to go? Which way to go? We're going this way. There's a better way than Chip went. This is our way to go. Screw you, Chip!
What you say about my mama?
Up the hill we go. This is gonna be fun.
No, I ain't doing that. Look at how steep that shit is.
See that, people? George Voodoo's gonna head straight up that. Yeah, buddy! Oh, wait. Never mind, we're going this way! This is a much less traveled trail than the other one. Oh, yeah! Oh, that's what my nuts taste like. Look at Chip go! Can he make it? Oh yeah, he can make it around the baby turn. Way to go, Chip.
That should be steep too, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So there you have it. The Tao Motors Baja Sport 200. We gave it a good ride and put it through a lot of stuff. Luch, what do you think there? Or should I say, Watchman, what do you think?
Well, my butt cheeks tell me that this is a damn fine ride.
Yes.
It was fun, people. It took those whoop-de-doos like no one's business.
We even caught some air on it, wouldn't you say?
We were at least inches off the ground.
And overall, the tried and true, the Tao Targa,
It kept up with
this
everything.
thing kept up with everything.
People,
Yep.
this comes equipped with Recaro. Ricky Recaro seats in this one. It's much better. Make sure you put Ricky Recaro seats in your buggy.
Yep. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to come back to Dorito and Lucha Cabre. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button or that like button, go ahead and hit it
Do it now.
And keep your eyes out for the Tao Motors
I'm
Baja.
keeping them out right now.
Yep, for the Tao Motors Baja Sport 200. It is coming out pretty soon. And I'm going to say it's a pretty fine ride. And I would say that everybody agrees here, wouldn't you guys?
It was fun as hell.
Yep. And George, I want to thank you for coming out again, brother.
We appreciate all the work and fun dedication that George provides for our channel on a daily basis, people.
Yep.
It's our
So,
pleasure.
Thanks for watching.
Dorito,
And the Lucha Cabre.
rock on!
Peace.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, you're lucky, pal.
Yeah.
You're lucky. I knew we came for a truce. No more Bangkok.